Good morning. Greetings from the Alaska College of Education. This is Scott Christian. I'm the program administrator for secondary ed programs at UAS. Today we're going to take a look at the professional characteristics form. This form will be in use for all of our initial licensure programs, special education, secondary education, and elementary education. This is a new form for us. It's been around for a while. We've adapted it from the University of Alaska Fairbanks, who kindly shared it with us. And so we're very interested in feedback, but it's very important when we're discussing professional characteristics that host teachers know if you ever have a serious concern related to professional characteristics, regarding attendance or appropriate communication with students and colleagues, anything along those lines, please don't hesitate to reach out directly to the university supervisor who visits your school or the program coordinator. This form is designed to make sure that our students are meeting standards for professional characteristics in the classroom. We'll be looking across programs at all of our students. This is part of our accreditation effort. And we're looking for host teachers to complete this form once per semester. And you can look forward to communication from the program coordinators regarding when that would happen. So to get to the form, you need to go to your email, and everyone should have received an email that has links to these forms, the Student Teacher Observation Tool, and also this one, the Professional Characteristics form. So you just click on that link. If the link doesn't work that way, you can always just cut and paste into your browser. I recommend Chrome for anything related to Google. Chrome is optimized for Google products. This would probably work just fine on any browser, on a laptop or a tablet. But whatever you're working in Google, I always recommend Chrome. Okay, so this scale has the following scores or ratings. So 0 is not observed, and that's explanatory. There's 1 for unmet. A 2, which we'll look at down below, is met with revisions, and we're asking that host teachers not select number 2, that faculty will use that when we do our observations and we work with students. 3 is met, 4 is exceeds. So let's just take a look at one. We always need the basic information so that we make sure that this goes to the right place. So the first one is motivated to become an effective practitioner and committed to his or her decision to teach. I'm sure you've all run into student teachers who at some point wonder if they've made the right decision, and there are people that decide that they haven't. So this standard is to let us know that the student teacher is committed and highly motivated to get to work. So expectations exceeded, expectations met with revision. Again, that's something that faculty will select, and you can let us know through comments. Each area has comments, and so you can communicate with us that way. Students will not see these forms. These will be kept confidential. If there's an area that you would like to discuss with the student, let us know, and we're happy to join you for that conversation, or you could do so individually. So you just go through and select the ratings, again, avoiding the number 2. Before you submit, this works just like the student teaching observation form. You can either, you don't want to show this to the student. This is a confidential rating, and we're not in the habit of reviewing these with students. Like I said, it's a matter of having a conversation about any concerns that you might have, and possibly involving faculty. If you want to keep a record of the form that you submit, you just go to File in your browser, go to Print, select Open and Print Preview right down here at the bottom. And there you have a PDF that you can save on your laptop or wherever, so that you have a record that you've submitted that. And again, with professional characteristics, we urge you to contact the university supervisor or possibly the program coordinator at UAS, so that we can get involved if there are concerns, particularly any serious concerns that come up in this area. So you will submit after you complete the ratings for each of these categories. This is a pretty short form. There's only 6 areas to be observed, so it should only take a few minutes. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call or send an email to your university supervisor or to the program coordinator. Thank you.